This is Cooking with Jordan, and today we're going to be making chicken tacos. So what I've got, hard shell tacos, soft shell tacos, a head of lettuce, some shredded cheese, and some thin cut chicken that I'm going to slice up. Alright, let us begin. So our first order of business, let's chop up this chicken, make it nice shredded. Alright, now that we've got our chicken all cut up, we're going to want to preheat the pan. So I'm going to go over here. Where did I put my pan? Freshly washed. I'm going to put my pan in here. We're going to get this thing started up real nice. Warm it up. And while that's going, we're going to move on to the next part of the project. Leave this off to the side for now. And that is going to be the lettuce. Let's check on this. Ignore that. Little kitchen smoke never hurt anyone. So let's get this a little less preheated. Maybe set her to low, you know. Low's a nice temperature. But we'll put the chicken in there. Get it all ready. Toss her in. Oh yeah. Now, my brother always tells me that Gordon Ramsay says that you shouldn't cook food with water. So the next thing I'm going to do is add a good amount of water to the pan. Just keep it moist. You know, I like to have moist chicken. Back to where we were. The lettuce. Get some lettuce out here. Oh yeah. Now, I like to find the biggest knife that I possibly can when cutting lettuce. So let's get one right now. Right here. This will do. And I also find that I like to take my aggression out on the lettuce, so we get a nice. Ooh. Don't worry, it's a lettuce wrap. They're very in right now. We'll be all set. All right. Maybe a little less aggression. Like now, it's time to add some spice. Now I like to buy this taco seasoning mix that comes with the tacos, partly because it tastes pretty good, and also because when I buy stuff like this and use it and don't tell people, it makes it seem like I'm a legitimate home cook and not just taking everything from a kit. So we'll pour some on here liberally. Get it nice and spicy. Hopefully this won't light on fire either. Now the next order of business is to prepare the crunchy shells. I have my little infrared heater right here. Alright, and we'll just turn that on for 5 minutes. Isn't it strange that you're watching a cooking show where you can't eat or smell any of the food? And you're probably never going to make it because I know you're just at home watching YouTube videos on your couch or bed probably. So, alright. And while these are cooking, we're going to start on the soft shells. I'll grab them here. Sprinkle a little cheese on it. Don't mess that lettuce up. And now we just wait for a couple more minutes. No, Mom, I don't just cook pasta. Yeah, I make other stuff too. I'm making tacos. Alrighty, so these seem to be wrapping up. The chicken's almost done. So I like to just toss this in the microwave. That'll just warm up the tortilla, melt the cheese, get all ready for the combination hard shell, soft shell taco. Yes, I did just copy Taco Bell's cheesy gordita crunch, but I'm making it my own. Don't question me. Now we have a warm tortilla with melty cheese on it. Ooh, well, perfect timing. So now, just gonna take this off real quick. Take one of these hard shells, it's all warmed up. Wrap it in here. And we just load her up with chicken. And lastly, we'll load it up with lettuce. Oh yeah. And here we go. It's trial number 1. Awesome. Maybe you've been wondering, is my food really going to be this plain? Yes. I don't add anything else. If you want to add some taco sauce or some onions or whatever, go for it. Don't let your dreams just be dreams. But I'm a simple man and I like a simple taco. Thank you for joining me. Don't start any kitchen fires at home, and I really got to get to the hospital. I'm starting to lose a good amount of blood. See ya.